freedom itself was attacked this morning by a faceless coward. And freedom will be defended.
Everybody just doesn't know where to go. Everything is blocked off. You can't even, they tell us to get out and there's nowhere to go. And then I heard that another plane hit, and if you go over by there, you can see the people jumping out the window. They're jumping out the window right now. Oh my God.
This morning we were at Midtown Manhattan in the 31st floor of a building facing south. We saw 767 flying low down the center of Manhattan Island, heading towards downtown Manhattan. At about maybe 20 blocks north of the World Trade Center, we saw the plane veer to the left and fly directly into the north side of the South Tower.
Check the area of the Pentagon. Advise on channel 1, please. I have Delta 35, Cruiser 34, and Delta 35-2. Okay, 1 unit is Motor 11. Motor 11 direct. Once again, keep all traffic on 1 Adam. Restricted until further notice. Units responding for the report of the plane crash.
I just said I want to let y'all know that I love you very, very much. In case I don't see you again. That the plane has been taken over by hijackers.
When I started filming the Trade Center towers this morning, I thought I had woken up from a nightmare. Planes, all these people running, trying to get out of Manhattan already. Then the first tower collapsed. And day turned to night. A man turned up covered in soot, still carrying his briefcase. People were crying. Some just stood.
I want to reassure the American people that the full resources of the federal government are working to assist local authorities to save lives and to help the victims of these attacks. Make no mistake, the United States will hunt down and punish those responsible for these cowardly acts. I ask the American people to join me in saying a thanks for all the folks who have been fighting hard to rescue our fellow citizens, and to join me in saying a prayer for the victims and their families. The resolve of our great nation is being tested. But make no mistake, we will show the world that we will pass this test. God bless.